Right, this is the car I'm doing the job on. It's a 2 litre, it's a lot easier than a 3 litre. If I had a 3 litre to do, I'd take the bonnet off just to get better access inside the engine bay. What I've done is I've taken all the plastic garbage off, the wiper links, the wiper motor and the links, the wiper arms, everything. I've taken it off. I put all the nuts and bolts and screws in a little box so I don't lose them. And now come over to the engine bay and you'll see the chaos that I've caused in here. As you can see, the whole place is all stripped out. The first job was I've taken this fuse board out, and what I've done is I've traced the wires for the heater motor. There it is. I've traced the wires from the heater motor, and I've got the heater motor housing out. I put my second-hand heater motor housing in, and I've tested it, and I've tested the little flap fan to make sure it all works. So I've done that. That comes out there. The next part I've had to do is take this out. This fits in there. That's a bit of a struggle. This job, as you can see, is not a job for the gifted amateur or the car owner. It's a pucker, proper professional job. The first thing you have to do is you have to disconnect the battery. The second thing you have to do is you have to suck all the gas out. Do not put the gas into the atmosphere because you'll be killing us all. Then, bit by bit, I have struggled to take all the stuff off the car, and you don't actually need a film to see me struggling and cursing and struggling with tools and getting hot and agitated when I've been taking all this stuff off. So I've got this off, I've taken that off, and if you come closer here you can see I've still got to undo the radiator clips and hoses, pull them out and take this off because that's also leaking. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm changing the heater motor, I'm changing the heater radiator, and I've changed the fuse and tested the relay. All that works, the heater flap works, and I now have to put this back together again. This job takes between 6 and 8 hours. I've used a second-hand heater motor. I've got a new heater rad coming. I would not put a second-hand one in because who knows how long that will last for. This is junk. So is that one. That's also junk. So if you're doing the job in your garage, good luck. Take your time, take pictures as you go, and you just have to have a lot of patience and you have to have a lot of time. Make sure you get hold of your parts before you start stripping down, and good luck.